those colorful eggs. I'm gonna take them all.
Ah!
This egg is mine now. Stay right in that cage. Don't you dare get out.
What's wrong? What happened to you?
Help me! Someone took one of my eggs!
Don't worry, I'll help you.
He did not see me. I can take one of those eggs again. This one is mine as well. Oh! Both of you stay right in that cage.
I miss my eggs!
Here's my chance to take that final egg on that nest. You are mine now. Ha ha ha!
My eggs! None of my eggs are left. They're all gone.
We'll get them all back. Let's go, boys. We need to find those eggs.
Finally, I got you back. Finally, I have all my babies back.
Come on, let's all go home now.
Goodbye.
I want to take some eggs to play with. These eggs are mine now. Oh.
Help me. Someone took my eggs and ran away.
Don't worry. I will help you take your eggs back. Let's go that way.
Stop! Stay still and be quiet. Stop, pivots! Yeah! Be quiet and stay inside.
Quick, we can get to your babies if we rush.
Wait, let's check this tree.
They saw me. I need to get away.
Just stay calm, little chicks. I will get you out of there. Don't worry, you are safe. Now, There you go. Here are your babies.
I won't let you get lost again. Go in the nest.
Almost there. Mine, all mine. Up we go! What? What?
My eggs.
Gone! Not again? More eggs! Gotcha!
Heavy!
Ha! Another one! Oh!
Too many! What happened here? Oof! Not easy. Send help quickly. Hoi! Officer! Over here!
Got it. Stand back.
Oh no, you!
You're coming with me. My hat. My hat.
Let me out! Here they are, safe.